Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to plant Malunggay branch. First, choose a healthy, mature branch from an existing Malunggay tree. Look for one that is at least 1 foot long and about the thickness of a pencil. This ensures it has enough stored energy to root successfully. Next, prepare your planting area. Malunggay thrives in well-draining soil, so amend heavy clay soils with sand or compost. This simple preparation is key for a strong start. Once you have your chosen branch, make a clean cut at a 45-degree angle just below a node. This angled cut increases the surface area for root development. Then, carefully remove all the leaves from the lower 2/3 of the cutting. This reduces moisture loss through transpiration, allowing the plant to focus energy on root growth. Finally, dig a hole in your prepared soil, ensuring it's deep enough to bury at least 1/3 of the branch. If you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially when you're out gardening. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle to keep your water cool and accessible. Check the description for a link to grab yours and discover other fantastic deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now gently insert the prepared Malunggay branch into the hole, making sure it stands upright. Once positioned, firmly press the soil around the base of the branch. This eliminates any air pockets that could dry out the developing roots. Immediately after planting, give your Malunggay branch a good watering. Continue to water consistently, especially during dry periods, to encourage robust root establishment and new growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.